Hello students, now this is trigonometry double angle formula. Double angle formula is to convert a given angle 2A in terms of A, or any angle A in terms of half of the angle, that's A by 2. Okay, so we generally call that as double angle formula or half angle formula. And that the first formula is sine 2A. Sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. There's one more formula for this in terms of tan. It's 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. So if you have 2A here, the formula becomes 2 sin A cos A. वो angle का half लेना है. Okay. If you have sin A, then the formula becomes 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2, and in terms of tan you can write 2 tan A by 2 upon 1 plus tan square A by 2. So that's double angle formula, and the blue part is called as half angle formula. If you have sine 6x, then the formula becomes 2 sine 3x into cos 3x. If you have sine x here, then this becomes 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So यहाँ पे जो भी angle होगा यहाँ पे उसका half लेना है. Okay, that's the formula for sine. Similarly, you have formula for cos. So the formula for cos 2a, it's cos square a minus sine square a, or you can write 2 cos square a minus 1, or it's 1 minus 2 sine square a. And in terms of tan, this value is also equal to 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. The same thing here. If you have a here, a, then ये सारे formulas में a by 2 हो जाएगा. Okay. If you have cos x or cos a, then you write the formula cos square a by 2 minus sine square a by 2, or it's 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1, or it is 1 minus 2 sine square a by 2. And in terms of tan, the same formula, we write this as 1 minus tan square a by 2 upon 1 plus tan square a by 2. So whatever angle you have in the left hand side, in the right hand side the angle will be half of that. Okay. The third formula is tan 2a. Now tan 2a का formula is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. 1 minus tan square a. It's minus sign here. Okay. This is 1 minus tan square a. In the first formula it was 1 plus tan square a. Sin 2a का formula में you had 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Tan 2a में it is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. So don't make a mistake with the sign there. And if it is a, then the formula is tan a will be equals to 2 tan a by 2 upon 1 minus tan square a by 2. So in general, whatever formula, whatever angle you have in the question, in the right hand side the angle will be half of that. Is that clear? So just go through this. Sin 2a का formula is 2 sin a cos a, tan का 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a, cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a, 2 cos square a minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square a. In terms of tan, it is 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. Tan 2a, it's 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Now in this you have two special formulas which are very important. Now you can see this formula and we can derive the formula. Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. If I shift that 1 on that side, ये 1 को अगर यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने shift किया तो ये minus से वहाँ पे जाएगा तो plus हो जाएगा. तो you will get 1 plus cos 2a will be equal to 2 cos square a, है ना. 1 plus cos 2a will be 2 cos square a. एंड अगर ये cos 2a को हम लोग यहाँ पे लेके आते हैं और इसको वहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं तो 1 माइनस cos 2a, 1 माइनस cos 2a विल बी 2 sin square a. सो 1 प्लस cos 2 आया तो 2 cos square a एंड 1 माइनस cos 2 आया तो 2 sin square a. Okay, so that's the special formula. The special formula, the first one is 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a, that becomes 2 cos square a. And 1 minus cos 2a, 1 minus cos 2a, it becomes 2 sin square a. 1 plus cos 2 is 2 cos square a, 1 minus cos 2 is 2 sin square a. This is very, very, very important for a lot of sums in the next chapter in 11th as well as 12th standard. The second formula is very important for limits and many other chapters there. There is one more formula for sin 2a, 1 plus sin 2a. Now 1 plus sin 2a is equals to cos a plus sin a the whole square. Cos a plus sin a the whole square. Now how do you get this? We can derive here itself. 1 co you can write cos square a plus sin square a, right? Cos square a plus sin square a is 1 and sin 2a का formula is 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a. So ये क्या बन जाएगा? a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b the whole square. So it will become cos a plus sin a the whole square, right? So 1 plus sin 2a is equal to cos a plus sin a the whole square. And if you have a minus sign here, if you have 1 minus sin 2a, then this becomes cos a minus sin a the whole square. Cos a minus sin a the whole square. यहाँ पे 2a था तो आंसर में a आया, ओके उसका भी हाफ एंगल बोल दो. इफ यू हैव 1 प्लस कॉस a then the answer will be 2 cos square a by 2. 1 minus cos a, then it will become 2 sin square a by 2. And 1 plus sin a will become cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 the whole square. Cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 the whole square. And if there is a minus sign there, then it becomes cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 the whole square. Cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 the whole square. So this is the first set of formulas which includes double angle as well as half angle formula. The formula का terms are same. अगर क्वेश्चन में 2a है तो आंसर में a आएगा, है ना? And if you have a here तो आंसर में you will have a by 2. So remember this for all these formulas. And then we wrote the triple angle formula. The triple angle formula is to convert 3a into a. It's to convert 3a into a. The first formula is sin 3a. It is not sin cube, this is sin 3a. Sin 3a का formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a का formula is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. And tan 3a. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a. 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. So sin 3a cos 3a tan 3a. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. And tan 3a is 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Now especially when you learn the formula, and you got to remember the formula, see that sin का formula में all the terms are in terms of sin. Sin का formula में सब term sin है, देख लो. sin में cos मत डाल देना, that's wrong. sin का formula contains all sin terms. cos के formula में सब cos है और tan के formula में सब tan है. Okay? sin का formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. And tan 3a is 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. And for the sums, be careful. If the left hand side contains 3a and the right hand side contains a, then you have to use triple angle formula. If the left hand side contains tan 3a, sin 3a, cos 3a, okay, and the right hand side has got a, then you can use triple angle formula and solve the sum there. Clear? Now we already done addition formula. I'll just write once again. The addition formula was sine of a plus b cos of a plus b sine of a minus b cos of a minus b. I hope you remember that. The first formula was sine of a plus b. Sine of a plus b was sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. प्लस है तो प्लस आएगा. क्वेश्चन में अगर माइनस है, साइन ऑफ ए माइनस बी आया तो सेम फॉर्मूला साइन ए कॉस बी माइनस कॉस ए साइन बी, माइनस कॉस ए साइन बी. द सेकेंड फॉर्मूला इज कॉस ऑफ ए प्लस बी. कॉस ऑफ ए प्लस बी इज कॉस ए कॉस बी माइनस माइनस साइन ए साइन बी. कॉस ए कॉस बी माइनस साइन ए साइन बी. इसमें प्लस है तो माइनस आएगा, और अगर माइनस है माइनस तो आंसर में प्लस आएगा. कॉस ए कॉस बी प्लस साइन ए साइन बी. एंड द लास्ट फॉर्मूला इज टैन ऑफ ए प्लस बी. टैन ऑफ ए प्लस बी इज टैन ए प्लस टैन बी अपॉन 1 माइनस tan a into tan b. Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b, and tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. So now we have sums based on this, some typical questions to be done on these formulas. So just go through all the formulas. Sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b, sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b. The formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. If you have sin of a minus b, then the formula is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos का formula का terms है cos cos sin sin, cos a cos b sin a sin b. प्लस होगा तो माइनस आएगा, माइनस होगा तो प्लस आएगा. tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. उसमें माइनस होगा तो इट्स tan a माइनस tan b अपॉन 1 प्लस tan a इंटू tan b. और उसका स्पेशल फॉर्मूला में इफ इन द tan फॉर्मूला if you put a is equal to 45 degrees, okay, if a is equal to 45 degrees, a is equal to 45 degrees, or you can write pi by 4, and b is theta, so then it becomes tan pi by 4 45 degrees plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30 theta. Tan 45 का value is 1, so this becomes 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. So the special formula says tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Pi by 4 और 45 degrees दोनों भी चलेगा. You can write 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. And tan of pi by 4 minus theta आया तो you can write 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Is that clear? Tan pi by 4 plus theta is 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Tan pi by 4 minus theta is 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. So these are the basic formulas. You have done addition formula, you have done multiple angles में double angle formula, half angle formula and triple angle formula. Write these formulas, study them very thoroughly. It's being used in many of the chapters in maths as well as physics of 11th and 12th standard. Okay, then we solve a few questions based on those formulas. So write the formulas, learn them, write them 5 times and learn them very thoroughly, and be smart to understand how to apply the formula. We solve a few examples here. See, if you get a question, prove that. Sin 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x. Prove that sin 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x is tan x, cot x, sorry. So यहाँ पे पहले क्वेश्चन देखना, you have 2x in the left hand side और right hand side का angle is given as x, है ना. So use sin 2a का formula 1 minus cos 2a का formula. So you can solve the sum. You can say left hand side is equal to sin 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x. The formula for sin 2x, sin 2a का formula was 2 sin a cos a, तो sin 2x का formula will be 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x upon 1 minus cos, 1 minus cos, 1 minus cos formula is 2 sin square x. सब लोग ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पे 2x था तो आंसर में x आ गया, ठीक है ना. नाउ यू कैन डू कैंसलेशंस एंड यू गेट द आंसर देयर. 2 गेट्स कैंसिल, एक साइन कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बचेगा cos x अपॉन साइन x. cos x अपॉन साइन x इज cot x. दैट्स इक्वल टू RHS, hence proved. Clear? One more example. Prove that root of 1 minus cos 3a upon 1 plus cos 3a is equal to tan 3a by 2. 1 minus cos 3a upon 1 plus cos 3a is equal to tan 3a by 2. Now in this question you can see the question contains 3a here, right? But answer में है ना a नहीं है, 3a by 2 है. So कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे? ट्रिपल एंगल फॉर्मूला और हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला? We'll be using triple angle formula or half angle formula here. Triple angle formula तभी use करना है when 3a has to be converted into a, right? But this is not 3a, this is 3a by 2 here. So we'll be using half angle formula. So you can write LHS equal to root of square root of 1 minus cos 3a upon 1 plus cos 3a, right? Now you want 3a by 2, so basically you want half of that, है ना. तो हम लोग उसका हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे अभी. इफ यू हैव 1 माइनस कॉस ऑफ एनी एंगल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव a, तो उसका फॉर्मूला आएगा 2 साइन स्क्वायर a by 2, है ना. और अगर प्लस हुआ तो उसका फॉर्मूला आएगा 2 कॉस स्क्वायर a by 2. इज दैट क्लियर? ये मैंने फॉर्मूला लिखा है, वो सम का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नहीं है वो. This is the formula. So when I use that formula, this becomes LHS equal to, यहाँ पे हम लोग हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. We are not using triple angle formula because you should check what is to be proved है. 3a दिया है और 3/2 चाहिए, तो 1 minus cos 3a का फॉर्मूला will be 2 sin square और 3a का हाफ becomes 3a by 2 divided by cos 1 plus cos का फॉर्मूला will be 2 cos square 3a by 2, right? 2 gets cancelled here and sin square upon cos square becomes tan square 3a by 2. दोनों का एंगल सेम है तो tan square हो जाएगा, और tan square का स्क्वायर रूट becomes tan 3a by 2. That's equal to RHS. Is that clear? So in this formula we have used half angle formula, though the question had 3a, but आंसर में हम लोग को a नहीं चाहिए था, 3a by 2 चाहिए था. जब भी 3a को a में कन्वर्ट करना होगा ना, 3a को a में कन्वर्ट करना होगा तो यू हैव टू यूज ट्रिपल एंगल फॉर्मूला. यहाँ पे 3a को 3a by 2 में कन्वर्ट करना है, वी यूज हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला. क्लियर? नाउ हाउ अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन? प्रूव दैट थ्री cos a plus cos 3a, 3 cos a plus cos 3a divided by sin 3a sin 3a minus 3 sin a is equal to minus cot cube a. Now check out this question. In this question you have angle में a भी है 3a भी है, यहाँ पे 3a भी है a भी है, और आंसर में you want a. So अभी दिमाग चलाओ कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज़ करोगे. We use 3a का फॉर्मूला to a, है ना. So यहाँ पे you have to use sin 3a और cos 3a का फॉर्मूला. So left hand side is equal to 3 cos a plus cos 3a upon sin 3a minus 3 sin a. So this becomes 3 cos a plus cos 3a. Now tell me what is the formula for cos 3a? Cos 3a का formula. Cos 3a का formula is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Cos 3a का formula is 4 cos cube a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So हम लोग ने क्या किया, instead of cos 3a, we have used this formula 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Is that clear? And the denominator is sin 3a. What is sin 3a का formula? sin 3a का formula. So यहाँ पे आपको sin 3a का formula use करना है, right? What is sin 3a का formula? sin 3a का formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, and the last term you have is minus 3 sin a in the denominator. तो मैंने sin 3a की जगह पे उसका फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया है. sin 3a का फॉर्मूला इज 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Clear? Now you can see in the numerator 3 cos a and minus 3 cos a gets cancelled. In the denominator 3 sin a and minus 3 sin a gets cancelled. So what is left over there? In the numerator we have 4 cos cube a. In the denominator we have minus 4 sin cube a. Right? Now this 4 gets cancelled. The minus sign remains as it is, and cos upon sin becomes cot cube a. दोनों एंगल सेम है, so that's equal to RHS. So ये समय 3a दिया था, हम लोग ने ट्रिपल एंगल फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया बिकॉज आंसर में a चाहिए था. उसके पहले वाले समय 3a दिया था, बट हम लोग ने हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया बिकॉज आंसर में 3a/2 चाहिए था. So you have to check what is to be proved and then solve accordingly. Okay. Now one very important question now, very important sum. Suppose you have a question, prove that root of इसमें देखो अभी रूट के अंदर रूट है. दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. वी हैव रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस 2 cos 8 थीटा. 3 रूट्स है तुम्हारे पास. रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस अंदर वापस रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस अंदर वापस रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस 2 cos 8 थीटा. 2 cos 8 थीटा है ना. So here the answer they want is prove that this value is equals to 2 cos theta. Now how do you prove this? So here you can start with the LHS here. Now for this particular question there is a standard method. You need to take 2 common first. I'll tell you the method first. This is a very typical question. So what you have to do in this question, you have to do a recurring step. एक ही step 3 बार करना है आपको. So that step is क्या करना है आपको? Take 2 common. Okay? Last root में से 2 common लेना है. Use 1 plus cos का formula. 1 plus cos of any angle is equal to 2 cos square. वो angle का half हो जाएगा. Okay? So 1 plus cos का formula is 2 cos square a by 2. 1 plus cos का formula is 2 cos square a by 2. 2 cos square a by 2. And then you can eliminate square and square roots. So you can say take square roots then. So you can take square root and solve. 2 common 1 plus cos का formula and then take square root. 2 common 1 plus cos का formula and then square root. 2 common 1 plus cos का formula and then square root. This is the common recurring step for that particular question. So you can solve LHS equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of. Now last root में you have to take 2 common. Now what if I take 2 common here? अगर इस दोनों में 2 common लिया हम लोगों ने तो अंदर क्या मिलेगा? I'll take 2 common. So अंदर आपको मिलेगा 1 plus cos 8 theta. Okay? The angle will not be affected unless and until you use the formula. वो एंगल 8 थीटा ही रहेगा, उसमें से 2 कॉमन मत लेना. वो एंगल है कॉमन, खाली बाहर से 2 कॉमन निकला है. ध्यान से देखो, यू हैव टेकन 2 कॉमन फ्रॉम हियर. नाउ यूज 1 प्लस कॉस का फॉर्मूला. 1 प्लस कॉस ऑफ एनी एंगल इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 2 कॉस स्क्वायर. वो एंगल का हाफ लेना है. सो व्हाट इज 8 थीटा का हाफ? यहाँ पे 8 थीटा. सो इसका हाफ हो जाएगा फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे तो 8 थीटा का हाफ विल बी 4 थीटा. सो नाउ द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बिकम्स व्हाट? that's equal to, the left hand side becomes root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2. See, I'll tell you, it's root of 2 plus root of 2 plus, now ये जो 2 है ना, that remains the same, 2 into और ये 1 प्लस कॉस का फॉर्मूला आपको यहाँ लिखना है, ठीक है. ये 2 ऐसे ही रहेगा और 1 प्लस कॉस का फॉर्मूला. व्हाट इज 1 प्लस कॉस का फॉर्मूला? 1 प्लस कॉस का फॉर्मूला विल बी 2 cos square 8 theta का half becomes 4 theta. Is that clear? So you can write this as root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of, see, it becomes 2 plus root of 2 plus, अभी अंदर क्या आएगा, 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? 2 into 2 becomes 4, है ना. So this becomes 4 cos square 4 theta. 4 cos square 4 theta. Now there is a single term here, take the square root of that. Now square root, let's say बहुत ध्यान रखो, 2 4 का square root 2 आएगा, cos square का square root cos आएगा. Okay, so 4 का square root 2, cos square का square root cos, इसका square root मत लेना, वो angle remains the same. So when you take square root, that root and square gets eliminated. So what you have there is, root of 2 plus root of 2. See, you will have root of 2 plus root of 2 plus, now take the square root. Square and square root gets cancelled. You get 2 cos 4 theta remains the same. Clear? Now you have to do the same thing again. एक बार वापस चेक करो क्या किया आपने. What you have done here, you have taken 2 common, 1 plus cos का formula use किया and then square root लिया. 2 common, 1 plus cos का formula and then square root. So again take the same thing, take 2 common first. ये दोनों में 2 common ले सकते हैं हम लोग, बराबर. So let's take 2 common, come on. So that's equal to root of 2 plus root of 2. You have to take 2 common, so root of 2 plus 2 common लिया तो bracket में you get 1 plus cos 4 theta आएगा. Use 1 plus cos का formula now. So 1 plus cos का formula use करोगे तो get root of 2 plus 2 into 1 plus cos का formula. What is 1 plus cos का formula? 1 plus cos का formula, 1 plus cos 4 theta है तो उसका formula आएगा 2 cos square 4 theta का half becomes 2 theta, है ना. Now this is 2 into 2 is 4, right? है ना. 4 का square root बोलो, so that will be equal to root of 2 plus 4 का square root 2 आएगा और cos square का square root cos आएगा and the angle is 2 theta. You can again take 2 common, do the same thing again, take 2 common, 1 plus cos का formula and then square root. So this becomes root of 2 common लिया तो bracket में will get 1 plus cos 2 theta, right? Now use the formula. So this becomes root of 2 into 1 plus cos का formula is 2 cos square और 2 theta का half becomes theta. This 2 into 2 becomes 4. 4 का square root is 2 and cos square का square root is cos theta. So that becomes 2 cos theta. That's equal to RHS. Clear? So just go through all the formulas, solve these questions. Okay? Please like the channel, subscribe the channel. Please post your comments and share if you have any doubts. Put your comments, and if you have any doubts, please let me know so that I can tell some more extra lectures. What concepts would you require? Share with your friends and everyone. Thank you so much. I'll put some more examples, some very good examples based on double angle, triple angle and addition formula.